Inside information for Amazon sellers. This is a really specific topic, and it goes to sellers who are taking generic products and simply putting a sticker on it with their logo and getting in trouble. Before we get to Amazon sellers with this specific issue, I want you to take a look at the 7-Figure Seller Summit, one of the greatest online Amazon seller events that exist in the entire world. The 7-Figure Summit. 7-Figure Summit by Gary Hang is just an amazing event where he brought together a ton of the top minds when it comes to Amazon. It's all online. You can register and watch it from home, which is especially important during the Corona epidemic. And it's broken down into 5 days of great material. Day 1, mindset for success. Day 2, scaling. Build your business from 6 figures to 8 figures. Day 3, marketing and branding. Day 4, profitability. Day 5, to me, is what most Amazon sellers need to know. About 50% of an entrepreneur's profit is made on the day he or she sells the business. Okay, if you're an Amazon seller and you're dipping your toe into the water of developing your own brand, many sellers buy generic products and stick their logo on that product and then say this is our branded product and create a new listing. You can't do that if the product has any branding on it at all. It is a clear trademark violation to have your logo made on a sticker, for example, and put it on somebody else's product. You can't do it, 100% violation. Now, how do we know this? My law firm does a whole lot more than write the world's greatest plans of action and the most persuasive Amazon appeals to get your accounts back and your listings back. We have an entire team devoted to representing you in arbitrations against Amazon to get your money back and your inventory back. We have an entire department devoted to litigation, representing Amazon sellers in court and settling legal claims against you if any are asserted. We have 2 teams in China to help you with sourcing, and we also have an entire unit devoted to what we call business law for sellers, which is traditional legal services, but specifically geared to Amazon sellers. Why can't you take your logo, your sticker, your trademark, and stick it on a generic product? Well, number 1, it's grounded in what's called consumer confusion. Most of intellectual property law is geared to protect the rights owner and also the consumers. And if you are covering up somebody else's branded product or even somebody else's generic product with simply adding your sticker, that creates customer confusion as to the quality, source, and the backup for that particular product. So don't do it at all. I know Amazon sellers engage in business and you do things often without really knowing whether there is or is not intellectual property violation. So let's say you did this. You bought a branded product, you had a sticker made with your logo on it, and you put it on that product and you were selling, and then you receive a complaint. What in the world do we do to help you? When that happens, the goal is always the same. It's the same for any intellectual property right complaint, any rights owner complaint. The goal is to get that complaint retracted in a specific way so that Amazon recognizes the retraction and takes it off your Amazon account. What do? You contact the rights owner who made the complaint. Their email address is right there on the notice to you from Amazon that such and such at whatever.com made a complaint against you. You want to reach out to that complainant and try and persuade that complainant to take back their complaint and then give them the mechanism to do it correctly. It's got to be done from the same email address where the complaint came from. It has to have certain language or else Amazon will never remove it from your account. If the person or company that made the complaint refuses to retract or doesn't respond to you at all, or you've checked the USPTO and they don't even own the rights to that product, then you want to write a persuasive letter to notice dispute at Amazon.com. Thank you for joining me for today's Amazon Sellers Lawyer Insider Information. Please join me again tomorrow where I share with you what we learned from helping thousands of sellers and dealing with literally tens of thousands of listings every single year.